Hello coders. Today we are going to solve a problem number 53 in LeetCode, which is the maximum subarray. So it is a medium level problem. So let's go and read it. Okay. So in the given an integer array nums. So we have given an array integer. Find the subarray with the largest sum. Return its sum. So we have to find all the subarrays and we have to sum up all the subarrays and we have to uh, s- print the maximum sum of the particular array. So, so let's try. So we have to find the subarray. So the so let's find the subarray. So I am making the variables for the m- maximum sum. For the making the subarray, we have to iterate to the I2 till n. So for j loop, we have to let j is equal to I j plus 1. So first check if we got subarray or not. Let's try. So sub array dot push nums of I j and check. If you want to check, just use it console.log sub array. So let's run this code and see the console. Okay, okay. So we are getting the subarrays like this. The for first time when the j is equal to I, which is a 0, it will give you 2, then j become 1. It will add it, 1 is 2 plus 1. Like this, the subarrays comes. So these all are the subarrays, which started with certain numbers, like it is starting from 2. So these are all subarrays from starting 2. Then subarrays come with the starting with the 1 and 3, 4. It will go till the end of the array. It has go till n, it will has go till n, like this. So we are getting the subarray. So every time the every time the I uh, increment, the subarray will reset. That's how we are getting the subarray. So if now we have want to find the sum of the maximum sum. So we have to sum the arrays number. So we have to do sum. Let sorry sum plus equal to nums of j. So here we are doing j. Let's see. So we have to add the condition if the sum is greater than maximum sum. In a maximum, I did minus infinity because of the minus infinity is the most small value. So any value come with the it will always maximum value. Okay. So if sum greater than max sum, so we have to do this. So max sum we have to assign maximum equal to sum. Okay. Do the console.log and see what we are getting in maximum. So first in a first variable is our is -2. So first we will get the -2. Then we will add it -2 1. It will become -1. So then we will get sum of the maximum sum of the -1 because -1 is greater than is -2. If it is greater than, then it will go to the maximum sum. We can assign the sum, and this sum always is changing by all the iteration. And when the I iterates, it will reset the sum. When the it will reset, it go to the second iteration, which is the one. So let's try and run this. Okay. So like I say, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are all the maximum sum. So maximum sum is our 6. So we are getting the maximum sum here. So so we are getting maximum sum. Just return the max sum because we are every time assigning the sum to the maximum sum. So it will reset and it will give me the maximum sum like 6, 1, 23. It is accepted. Try see with 1, 1. Okay, it will accept it. It is accepted. Um, let's try to submit. What will happen? So we are getting time limit exceeded because the the because of the constraint. If 10 to the power 5, so we have to come up with the solution which is less than uh, O(n) square because we are running the two loops. So the time complexity of this loop code is n square, but we have to come up with the O(n). So for the O(n) approach, we have a something called Kadane algorithm. In the Kadane algorithm, we uh, always uh, iterate through left to right, and whenever we get the uh, less value in negative, we have to reset the sum. That's how we can do this. So suppose I I just commented and we have to make current sum because we need current sum. Current sum equal to 0. Like this, we are having in every iteration. So we have to need a current sum. Okay. So for iterate the all the array to 0 to till and I plus plus. Now we have to add to the current sum plus nums of I. Right now, in in the for the iteration one, the in the current sum we have a -2. The typo, okay, -2. In a current sum we have a -2. Okay, so we have a -2. Now we have to check like in this condition we are checking check max sum equal to math dot max. It is the inbuilt method of the JavaScript. We check if current sum is greater than or not of max. If so, in the max sum we got a minus infinity, which is a very small value, and in the current sum we got -2. It is the greater value, so assign the it will assign the minus to the current sum. Now it will check for the reset the current sum because we need maximum sum, not a negative sum. So if current sum is less than 0, assign the 0 to the sum. It is a less than 0 right now because we have a -2 in the current sum. So it will reset the sum. So, and we have to return the return max sum. So first see what is coming inside the sum. So always do console.log current sum and console.log max sum and do a current sum also here for the checking it will resetting or not. So first we will check it is working or not. Okay, so yesterday input. So in the first input we are getting -2 minus in the, because we have the -2 in the current sum. Okay, then in the second input which is coming from the max sum also we have a -2. Now we are checking current sum is less than 0. It is a less than 0 that it will assign to the 0. It will assign the 0. Okay, and the printing the 0. Current sum is 0. Okay, now the values come is 1. The when 1 is come, so when the 1 is come, the 1 will go to the current sum. It will print it and check is 1 is greater than minus infinity. It is greater than then it will print and फिर then and फिर console of maximum 1 and the फिर -2 is then we have a uh, okay it is rescheduling. So like this it will work. Mm, okay, so we have to give the values as well. But if you have having a confusion, so then give values to them like this is current one and max and it will give current two. Now it will help you to debug the code. So this is coming from current one, then max, current two, max one, and max, the current one, -1, -2, and the max, and that's how it will go to the till max. You can see the all the changes it is uh, happening here. You can see now max become 4, and then current one is become 3 uh, because of the -1. All the iteration happening, and you can see that. So that's how you can do the dry run of this code. And okay, now check this code will work or not. Net okay. So run this code. Let's try to submit. Oh, now it is accepted. So the time complexity of this code is that is a n because we are running the loop is one time, or the time or the space complexity is going to be constant because we are assigning the value, not iterating, adding the value in the variables. So space complexity is that is one over one. So how this is working? Let's see. So we have a length, max, infinity, in CurrSum. The first index. So let's try the small one. this one. It will we can do dry run more easily, and because it is a less length in less. So it comes the 5. So it will add the 5 to the current sum. Okay. Now it will check current sum 5 is 5 is greater than minus infinity. It is greater than. So in max sum will update it to the 5 and check the current sum is less than uh, 0 not. It will not go to inside. But then I plus plus happen and the iteration go to 1. This is a 1. Okay. Now it will add it to the current sum. In the current sum we have a 5 already and the 4 will add it. It will become 9. Now we will check 9 is greater than 5 because we we have already assigned the 5 the current maximum sum. So 9 is greater than. So 9 will assign to the maximum sum and check it is less than no. Then iterate. It will go minus 1. So 9 minus 1 it become 8. It will check 8 is greater than 9. No, it will constant with the 8. It will not change to the max sum because we have a max already in 9. So why would we change to the 8? So next it will check it is less than or not, not less than, not go inside. Then go to the 7. 7 will add it. 8 plus 7 it become 15. Now 15. 15 is greater than 9. It is greater than. It will add it to the and check it is less than no. When I add it, then we got 8. 8 15 plus 8 is 23. Now it will check 23 is uh, greater than is 18. It is definitely greater than. Then it will update the maximum and check it is a less than or not 0. It is not because current sum is right now 23. So it is not. Now it will update it. Now the it will be updated and check I is less than it will n. No, it is not because 0 array is started 0 bit indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It I become 5 when I is become 5. It is not less than n because whenever do nums dot length it will give you the actual length of the array. So which is the 5. If so 5 not less than 5. So that it will false the loop, terminate the loop, and go to the return statement. In the max variable, we have a value in 23. So it will return to the 23. So that's how it will work more efficiently. This is the algorithm we have a in a brute force approach with time complexity is n square, and this will have a this n O of n. So for the better understanding, I will add the dry run of this code inside the uh, description of this video. If this video added any value in your coding journey, please like and comment. Thank you.